Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and this is another brand new episode on MJ's Couch. And today I have a special guest on my couch today. It is no other than the one, the only
special guest.
Oh, how am I the special guest? Okay. So we have Ladi on my couch. No, I shouldn't have said your name. Okay, please introduce yourself.
Well, Ladi is not my name. That's my nickname. So my real name is Oladipupo Ajishegiri.
Popularly known as
Ladi
or Master Wayne.
Well, that one is winning for now. I think I like Master Wayne. As long as there's a win. No wow.
Fair enough. So on today's episode, we're going to be talking on something really interesting, right? I mean, I'm in this position where all I'm looking for is how do I make money? How do we grow well? That's why you're here to come and give us okay. So we're going to be talking on all things cryptocurrencies, right? You know, a lot of people have a lot of questions around it. Should I put my money in crypto? Would I make money in crypto? Should I sell my father's house to invest in crypto? Is there actually money in this crypto, or is it just yes? So that's why Ladi is here today. So Ladi, first off, how are we going to make this crypto money? How do we make this
let me start by cracking this joke. You know, in crypto we used to say that the reason why there is cry in crypto is because you will most likely cry.
Wait.
So if you want to spell, can you spell crypto without CRY? But that's a joke. So there's definitely money in crypto because crypto itself is money. You get. So there's money in crypto, and just like every other investment, you're always advised to invest what you can afford to lose.
Okay. Yeah. So, well, how do people actually? I'm just here. I'm looking at ways to, make more money, invest, or maybe not even invest. This crypto money, where is it, and how do I find it?
Where is it? How will you find it? So, crypto money is in crypto, right? People in the past, let me just say 10 years or maybe more.
Yeah.
Crypto has made a lot of people millionaires in dollars, billionaires in naira. People have made life-changing, and they used to say wife-changing.
Actually,
wife-changing money. So there's money in crypto, right? There are several ways to make money from crypto. There's the part of you investing, like treating crypto like every other form of investment. Let's say stocks, shares, and all of those things. You buy stocks, you buy shares from company, and you hope and expect that the company, they do well, and over the years your investment has grown. You get maybe by 100%, 50%, 30%, 40%. Depending on how your risk appetite you get. So same thing applies in crypto, right? There are several ways to make money in crypto, and the first one is true investment, which is you have to take money and put it in crypto. So what exactly are you putting into? So you are buying some projects, you are buying some crypto coins. So they call it cryptocurrency, right? There are tokens, there are coins that they have different usage. So it is not left for you to maybe have the right information or have something, or just maybe your conviction, and you feel like, oh, this particular coin can do well, or it can do a 100%, and do 2000%. Yes, there's that in crypto.
I hear about it a lot. You hear somebody who say, I just put in $10, and your $10 has turned to something else.
$1,000. So
is it juju?
It's not juju. It is not juju. So there are a lot of factors that you can use to achieve that. So the first one, like I mentioned, is actually taking money and putting it in crypto, which is the investment. The other way people make money is through what we call airdrop and crypto farming. You get, this one doesn't require you to actually take your money and invest. This one requires to just do some tax. So they call it zero cost. It doesn't cost you money.
So you don't need capital or anything.
You don't need capital, but of course it costs you something. Nothing is free in this world.
Fair enough.
If it doesn't cost you money, it definitely costs you something. So if you're not going to use money, then it costs you your time, your data, majorly those two things. And you know that time is money.
Fair enough.
So do you get? So how do you want to make money in crypto? You are either using your money, or you are using crypto airdrop or crypto farming.
So assume you are talking to 5-year-olds. How would you explain airdrop and farming? Because I don't have money. Is that one that does not require me putting money?
So for airdrop, I can explain airdrop to a 5-year-old very easily, right? So at least a 5-year-old understand what money is. That money is a means of exchange, right?
Yeah.
So, and of course, a 5-year-old understand that his mom or his or her mom or her dad works to earn money. You get, so you know that, oh, my dad goes to work. So when they go to work, what they do? They work and they get paid. They do some tax and they get paid. So the same thing with airdrop. Airdrop require you to do some tax in crypto, in the crypto ecosystem. It requires you to do some tax for a while, maybe 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Some can be that long. And then at the end of the period where you are expected to do those tasks, you get rewarded.
Wow.
You get rewarded. So it is more or less like you working.
So what kind of tasks?
So the tax, so there are different type of airdrops, there are different type of crypto farming. The one that is currently reigning that a lot of people know is where you tap. So that is one of the tasks, right? That is the new meta. In meta we call trends meta, and then we call information alpha. So that is the new meta. People are tapping, and you're wondering, why are they tapping? They are engaging in companies' projects, right?
Yeah.
So the task they are required to do is to tap, and they get rewarded. When they are tapping, they are generating points for themselves, depending on how long they can tap. And some within the tapping app or the tapping project itself, you are required to maybe like an Instagram page, follow a Twitter account. No, just
and then you get rewarded for it.
Yes, it can be any tax. Any tax. Do you get any tax? So yeah.
So there you have it. For those of you that are scared of selling your father's house,
don't sell your father's house.
So going into crypto, I mean, there are other ways you can, break into the space and also earn from it. Interesting. So I know there are like a couple of misconceptions a lot of people usually have about crypto. Like, if you come over and say, I'm a crypto investor, so I say, oh, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing yet. I mean, obviously, I understand the fact that it is a high risk investment vehicle. Like, it's very volatile, right? Some other people think, oh, if you say what you do full time is like crypto trading and the likes, it's almost like you don't have exactly, you don't have a real job. So like, how do you address some of those misconceptions, right?
Well, see, like I used to say, I think this is my own personal quote.
Yeah.
Your business.
Before you say it, Ladi 2024. Drop it.
So I used to say that your business is your business. So whatever you find yourself doing, whatever gets you busy, is that actually your business? Are you making money from it? So whatever you find yourself doing, whatever gets you busy, is your business. So it's your business. If you like be busy and you're not making money, it's your business. If you like be busy and you're making money, it's your business. So your business is your business.
Fair enough. Okay, so I think final question would be, what are like resources, right, for people that are really just very much interested in crypto? They don't know where to get started, don't know who to talk to. What are like resources that you'd advise, right, people to like just use? And if there's someone that is also still contemplating on, is this crypto thing worth my time? Is this something I should dabble into? What advice would you give to such people?
I don't know if I can quickly just tell a story.
Yeah, sure.
Maybe not a long story, but I remember the first time someone told me about crypto, right? Far back 2016. Yeah.
Did you invest then?
Hold on. Wait a minute. So yeah, someone told me about crypto, and as a young boy then I was very like, okay, what is this? Is a new thing. Even I don't understand. Of course, the first thing I did was to go to Google, right? The person gave me an information, but I think the person misinformed me in a way, right? In that misinformation, there's still an information that was correct, which is the idea of cryptocurrency. But the way the person told me, the things the person told me, they were wrong. And believe me, it cost me. Wow. Now, not like it cost me, but actually, okay, so the person told me about cryptocurrency from a particular angle. The person is a network marketer. I know those days where we used to do refer. So I think then there were some crypto projects then that they were not really cryptocurrency, but they just use crypto as a camouflage. But what they really want is for you to bring that person, collect their money, and then. So I learned crypto from that person, and although I did my own personal research, I saw that there was something called cryptocurrency, there was a Bitcoin, and there was some other coins, and then the person told me about their own coin, which the name of the coin then was OneCoin. That was the name, and that OneCoin was a very crazy coin. It wasn't a coin, it was a scam.
Obviously,
it was a scam. But the person told me about it, and then I was like, OneCoin is better than Bitcoin, OneCoin is better than this. So I didn't know that apart from cryptocurrency, there's something called blockchain. Any crypto or any coin that is not on the blockchain is not a crypto, it's an Excel sheet. Do you understand? So I didn't know that there was something called blockchain. I didn't know that the OneCoin they told me about wasn't on the blockchain. It doesn't have a blockchain behind it. Bitcoin was on the blockchain. But the person told me, and me, I just took it on my head as a network marketer. And I was like, this OneCoin is a Bitcoin killer. OneCoin is a bit. I did not invest in Bitcoin.
Ouch.
I did not invest in Bitcoin. It was painful. So
ouch.
What am I trying to say? Education is very important. You need to know what you are doing. You need to know, at least know the basic things about cryptocurrency before you even come into it. Education is important. And then community. Now, this is even the most important one. Again, back to that story. In 2016, like I said, I was introduced to it. I had no community. I was the only one I was the one telling people about cryptocurrency. I was the only one. And you know when they say if you're in a room of 5 people and you're the only one person, do you get? So in my area, I was preaching the gospel of crypto with local champion with the little information and knowledge I have, but meanwhile I was misinformed. Do you get? So with all those information, I had no community to correct me, to guide me, to say, oh no, this is wrong, this is right, this is that. I didn't have that. Even though I've gone to do my own research. Do you get? So community is also very important. You need to have a community where you get information, where you are educated on what is going on, what is happening generally. So basically, before you even bring out your money, right, you need to have education. And crypto is very simple to understand. You get? Crypto is very easy. I don't know. But I mean right now crypto is easy because of
there are a lot of resources.
There are a lot of resources. You can go to YouTube, you can go to Google search, you can even ask your ChatGPT, okay, break crypto down for me, and ChatGPT will teach you like it's your teacher or something. So education and then community. So what are the resources? What other resources? Of course, your phone is enough. You don't need a laptop. If you have a laptop, good, but really your phone
like 5 screens.
You don't need that setup. You are not a forex trader. Even forex traders, they don't really need that, but some do anyway. But crypto, your phone, the right education, the community, and somebody to just guide you. Do you get? And me, I'm available to guide anybody.
Please follow. This is a good time to follow Ladi on all.
Follow me on Twitter, Majorly.
On Twitter, Ladi Wayne.
Majorly.
Well, to be on the screen.
Follow me on Twitter. So somebody to guide is very important. And right now, there's a massive adoption that we have in crypto right now. And thanks to Telegram and Ton, right? Ton is a blockchain. Is a crypto, right? It's a cryptocurrency that maybe towards the end I'll talk about what crypto can you invest in. Right. So thanks to Telegram and Ton, and through the tapping. So a lot of people have come into crypto, blindly, just by I want to make money. It's not just to tap. People want easy stuff. So people come into the tapping and then
they were saying the adoption grew.
And we see the adoption grow. So by tapping and you want to claim your money, that means you have to download the wallet. From downloading, you already know there's a wallet, Phantom, Solana, there's a wallet, Telegram wallet. So you are getting educated. You don't know. You don't know. So doing a lot of that in the next 1 year, 2 years, if anybody asks you about this, you already know how to use cryptocurrency. But you didn't know that you were getting, but you think you're just tapping. So by the time you tap and the project wants to launch, they tell you we want to launch on Ethereum, we want to launch on Solana.
You already have a wallet.
Do you get? You know, okay, what does that mean? Oh, you have to go and download an Ethereum wallet. You have to go and download a Ton wallet. So that is, crypto education right now is very easy, and it is simply because of
Okay, so I guess we can just move straight to the main part, right?
What is the main part?
Where should we put our money? What projects would you
Okay.
recommend that people can dabble into now?
So, to be honest,
Not a financial advice.
Not the financial advice. If you can't, if you like it as advice, yo. So to be honest, there are a lot of cryptocurrency projects out there that you can invest your money in. So there are cryptocurrency projects that has utility. That means they have real world use cases. Do you get? And there are some that are just meme coins. They're just vibes and inshallah. Do you get? So you need to know your risk appetite, right? Mm-hmm. So if you want to be a meme coin trader, then be ready to lose your money. Do you get?
Be ready to spend time monitoring.
Be ready to lose your money and spend time monitoring and all that. And if you want to invest in real world assets, those are, I mean, it is, to me, I see investing in real world cryptocurrency as you buying stocks, buying shares.
Yeah, like Bitcoin.
Do you get? No,
or what do you refer to as real world?
Real world tokens they have an actual company.
Okay.
And then they now tokenize their product.
Okay.
Do you get? So a perfect example, there's one cryptocurrency called Ondo. It's not Ondo State.
I'm like, okay.
Ondo, I think Ondo is a fintech company.
Yeah.
It's backed by, what's it called? What's the name of this people? BlackRock.
I think, is it PayPal that also recently launched?
So PayPal is a real company, and they also have a token called Pi USD. I think so.
Yeah,
Pi
I think
USD.
that's it.
So those are real world companies.
Yeah.
You get? So you might want to look out for companies like that have physical product that people know, and then they just tokenize it and you buy them, or you buy meme coins. You get? Or you buy layer one cryptos. Layer one cryptos are Bitcoin, they are Ethereum, they are Solana. So layer one means that they are like the foundation, they are the main.
That other people have built.
You wise. So layer two is when you now build your own cryptocurrency on a layer one. So let's say Bitcoin, and you build your own cryptocurrency on Bitcoin. You take a Solana, which is a layer one, you build your own. So you can see crypto is easy to understand. You just need to. It's easy to understand. So yeah.
Fair enough. And then for very calm people, just putting your money in USDT.
USDT. Okay, so USDT is like a stable coin. So there are coins that we call stable coins. They don't go up, they don't come down. Do you get? So they are just like US dollar, just like the way you convert your naira to USD, maybe in your DOM account or your account in the US or something. So USDT are just stable coins. Do you get? So we have USDT, we have USDC, we have FDUSD. So there are a few ones, but the most popular one is USDC. That is US dollar theta. Do you get? USDT.
Fair enough. Wow. This is free crypto masterclass.
Well.
So guys, don't forget to follow Ladi on Twitter, right? He's always dropping a lot of things that's going to help you on your crypto journey. And yeah, I think there you have it. Thanks for coming to sit on my couch, Ladi.
You're welcome.
I mean, this was a very, very beautiful conversation and very enlightening. I personally have learned a lot. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave this video a thumbs up, and you can ask questions in the comment section. If you have other thoughts around crypto, you have things you want to share, or you have questions, actually, you can drop them in the what?
I have a community.
You have a community. Please tell us about the community.
I have a crypto community on Telegram that you can actually join. It's called Upperverse, right? I can share the link with you so that I can just put it in the comment section. So you can just join, and it's a new community. I'm trying to gather people. Believe me, like I said, information is key. Info. So information is key. So join the community. I'm going to be teaching people, bringing you up to date with cryptos, and then share some tips and all that.
So now you don't have any excuse again to say you don't know about crypto or you don't know what to do.
Both investment and airdrop. You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Ladi. It was really nice having you here. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.